And we're back with another Talking Tech review, back in the audio game today with the EPOS ADAPT 360 by Sennheiser, who makes these, which is obviously a reputable brand, although band is relevant, we're talking about audio. Anyway, before I get into it, please subscribe to the channel. I have to say that with the little notification bell, and like it and comment, all that jazz to help push up the ranking. And like I've said in other videos, we also have a motoring channel. If you're into car reviews, drag races, all that cool motoring goodness, check it out. There'll be a little link below and above. So please support me, it helps a lot. Now, EPOS ADAPT 360 Bluetooth stereo headset. Now, I'm really interested in this one because they're sort of new in the audio game compared to your Boses and Sonys that have been around for ages. So they're trying to crack into a pretty competitive market. And this one comes, I'm just going to open it straight, comes with your little case. You got here, nice logo that is cool, looks like a Space Invader. And when you open it, it comes out. Genius. So it's a very, very sleek design, which I like about it. It's extremely light as well. That's what I didn't like about some of the competitors that get quite heavy, and it is soft on the touch, which will make it comfortable for prolonged wearing. And that's something I want if you're working all day in the office or you're commuting a lot. This is a good option, it seems like. Now it has USB-C connection, hooray, plug in your audio cable, and a few other options here. It actually allows you to switch between programs and devices, which is fascinating. If you have your iPhone connected and your laptop, you can switch, but I will get into that in the review, which is fantastic. Obviously Bluetooth, it's wireless. Now let's see what else is in the box or the bag. Here you have your user manual, I suspect. I'm going to open it for completeness. All right. Oh no, I dropped it. All right, we're back. What does this say? Yes, I didn't mention that. It comes with a Bluetooth dongle. So you can plug it into your PC, which is very cool. It has a charging time of 2.5 hours and 30 hours music playback with active noise cancelling activated. So this has active noise cancellation, which is huge if you're in the office or on the train. USB-C charges pretty quickly, and 2 microphones. So it's supposed to be really crystal clear in terms of clarity for the microphone. Bluetooth 5.0, and yeah, so you can have the USB plugged in into your computer, or if you have Bluetooth on there, that just works fine, and then connect it to your other devices at the same time. So there's an audio cable and a jack plug and so on. You get the gist, but 30-hour battery, pretty impressive with noise cancelling turned on. And this is a safety guide. If anyone is going to read that, it's pretty chunky. Anyway, what else we got in here? Ew. All right. So they have put together the 2 cables. That's called resourcefulness. There's a USB-C for your charging. And here is, oh, they've even put the dongle. There's your dongle to plug it into your computer if you don't have Bluetooth. And this is what Bose does. It's the smaller connection, the 2.5 that goes into the headphone, into the 3.5, which is any other device will have that. So if we're going to plug it in, you would put this little guy in here. If it goes in. There you go, if you want to be wired. And then you've got your Bluetooth connection option, changing back and forth, and different buttons. If you look at the box, it's got the Bluetooth connect button, then you have phone call, answer and hang up, volume up and down, and also play, pause, forward, back. So the buttons actually do a fair bit, not gonna lie. There's a lot going on there. You can control everything from here. So if we are going to match them, that would be the call button. This would be volume up, volume down. This is like a nice little slide function. I like it, actually slides. So you can slide back, slide forward, or press it down to pause and play song. It's actually a cool little touch. It's manual buttons, not any swiping touch business, in case that annoys you. You just know, like, that's your volume, that's front and back, and it's got a USB-C and connect. So there is the Adapt 360 with its incredibly long battery. They say it's made for Microsoft Teams, crisp audio, supposed to be really good, but if you've got noise cancelling, it's going to be funny talking when you're cancelling out most of your voice. You'll probably be shouting. So there it is. It comes in this little bag with that little pocket there, but otherwise it feels fantastic, feels light. The full review will be on the website. The link is below. So there's the unboxing. It's everything you need to know so far until you want to start using it. And I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check out the full review and our thoughts. So thanks for watching if you've made it this far. Hope this was somewhat useful. Now this is the packaging that I received. That's obviously because I'm reviewing it. Might be a bit fancier, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Priced reasonably well and a really reputable brand. These are leatherette cushions, as almost all brands use nowadays. And yeah, there it adjusts up and down. And here it's sturdy too, but not too heavy, which I like. So thanks for watching. If you have made it this far, I hope this was a useful video for you. And check out the review, stay tuned for more videos, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. Help the algorithm, push me up, and check out the motoring channel again, like I mentioned earlier. But we'll have heaps more reviews of cool things coming around. Anyway, so see you in the next video. Peace.